Hi everyone, it's Linda Sims. I had the strangest experience. I went to a mixer last Friday and the song The Wobble came on, and there was this lady that I met and she didn't know how to do the wobble. I'm like, okay, I thought everyone knew how to do the wobble. So what I decided to do is to start from the basic and to build out. So I'm going to break down some of the easier line dances and then add on to that. And every now and then I'll throw in some other intermediate to advanced line dances. So Jill, I told you I was going to give you a shout out. This is for you. So I'm going to do the demo first. I'm going to teach you the steps first, and then we'll add it to music. So keep watching, and you can take these line dances and add them on and actually do a cardio workout. So I'm going to break down the wobble for you. Okay, we're going to start on the right foot. And this whole line dance is pretty much a 4 count, except the last step, which is going to take you to the next wall. It's an 8 count. But every step before that 8 count is a 4 count. So you're going to start on the right foot. So I'm going to start with my back turned. So you're going to go right, left, and you're going to do a 4 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. So what I did is I jumped forward. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. So I see some people jump up like that. That's not what I want you to do. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I'm going to take my right shoulder, turn my feet this way to the left, lean to the right. 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you count on the down beat, okay, when your body goes down. So let's start from the top, going up, coming back, lean to the right, lean to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 2, 3, 4 is right. 2, 3, 4, and left, 2, 3, 4. You got that? So now we're going to do another 4 count. We're going to do a mambo cha-cha-cha on the right, a mambo cha-cha-cha on the left, and it's a 4 count. Here you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me show you from the side. Right foot is right, left, right, left, right, left, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the same thing I did on the right, I'm going to do on the left also. Okay, so let's put that together. Jump up, right, left, 4 count, come back, lean to the right, lean to the left, mambo, 1, 2, 3, 4, on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, 2, 3, 4, right, left, 2, 3, 4 is right, 2, 3, 4, and left, 2, 3, 4, and right, left, left, left. All right, how does that feel? Okay, now it's time to go to the next wall. Now this here is an 8 count. This is the last step you're going to do to take you to the next wall, and then you're back at the top, okay? So what I want you to focus on is stepping on And also the right shoulder coming forward, moving forward. And a quarter turn, that's just the next wobble, okay? And here's how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I stepped on my right and my right shoulder moved forward to the very next wobble. I was here, quarter turn here. Again, right shoulder is going to move forward. I'm going to step on the right. It's an 8 count. 5. So you're pretty much just marching in place. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're back at the top. So let me show you here, this right here from the side. We're going to do the whole entire line dance. I'm going to break it down to you. Then we're going to start the music and we're going to do it to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 2, 3, 4 is right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4 is right, 2, 3, and 4, and left, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,